Gurgaon man claims his iPhone 6 exploded in call. An iPhone 6 which belonged to Gurgaon-based restaurant owner Kishan Yadav allegedly blew up while he was in the middle of a call. The incident was reported on Tuesday, although it occurred on Saturday, the 20th of June. According to Yadav, he was in his car talking to a friend with the phone in hands-free mode. He suddenly noticed sparks coming out of the phone, and after realizing that it had become very hot, threw it out of the car. The device exploded within seconds and as soon as it touched the ground. Before the phone exploded, Yadav claims he was in the middle of a call and the phone's battery was around 70%.